Welcome to this fascinating episode, brought to you by Vault of 15. Today, we're zooming in literally on the tiniest inhabitants of our planet. These insects are smaller than a grain of sand, some barely visible to the naked eye. From nearly invisible wasps to microscopic beetles, these creatures challenge what we think we know about life's scale. Get ready for a mind-blowing countdown of nature's smallest marvels. Number 15. Thrips palmae. These minuscule insects, also known as melanthrips, measure around 0.8 millimeters. Despite their tiny size, they cause big problems in agriculture. Thrips palmae are sap-sucking pests that damage crops like melons, cucumbers, and peppers. Their bodies are slender and yellowish, and under a microscope, their fringed wings look like feathers. They can also carry plant viruses, making them dangerous in tropical farming zones. While they aren't the smallest, their economic impact is massive proof that even the tiniest bugs can leave a giant mark on the world. Number 14. Neochrysocharis formosa. At just under 0.75 millimeters, this parasitoid wasp infiltrates leaf mining flies. Found in greenhouses and gardens, it injects eggs into larvae. The offspring feed from within, emerging ready to continue the cycle. Though nearly invisible, it's a vital tool in biological pest control. Scientists admire this insect, not just for its size, but for its ecological importance. Tiny but mighty in the ongoing war against crop pests. Minatella micro. Sarcoptera. Bark lice. Often mistaken for dust, these insects grow to about 1 millimeter. Sarcoptera, also called bark lice, are soft-bodied scavengers that feed on fungi and detritus. Harmless to humans, they clean up decaying matter in nature and homes. Their long antennae and wing structure hint at their ancient origins, over 250 million years old. Despite their primitive look and minuscule form, they play a timeless role in ecosystems. Number 12. Minatella micro. This beetle is part of the featherwing group and measures just under 0.75 millimeters. Its wings are fringed like feathers and help it float through leaf litter. Despite its small size, it contributes significantly to decomposition and nutrient cycling. Observing it requires high magnification imaging. A marvel of miniaturization, Minatella micro reveals just how complex even the tiniest beetles can be. Number 11. Anagrus adamus. Barely reaching 0.75 millimeters, this wasp targets the eggs of leafhoppers in vineyards. Anagrus adamus is a secret biological weapon, fluttering invisibly through leaves. Its role in eco-friendly pest control is crucial. Small but highly effective, it helps reduce pesticide use and supports sustainable farming. Number 10. Telenomus remus. This parasitoid wasp, only 0.6 millimeters long, attacks fall armyworm eggs, a global pest. Native to Southeast Asia, it's now used in pest management worldwide. Females locate moth eggs using antennae and lay their own inside. The larva consumes the host egg from within, a microscopic warrior in the field. Number 9. Trichogramma evanescens. Only 0.5 millimeters in length, trichogramma wasps lay their eggs in over 200 moth and butterfly species. They've been used in agriculture for decades, particularly in greenhouses. Their small size and big impact make them a popular tool in modern biological pest control. Number 8. Camptoptera papilionus. A fairy fly measuring 0.5 millimeters. This wasp has delicate, butterfly-like wings. Its lightweight body allows it to maneuver through dense vegetation. It parasitizes eggs of other insects and often goes unnoticed, despite doing essential work in balancing insect populations. Number 7. Alaptus magnanimus. At 0.45 millimeters, this fairy fly is among the smallest flying insects. Its tiny wings blur when it moves, like a microscopic hummingbird. Adapted for life in narrow spaces, it targets host eggs deep within leaves and stems. A marvel of motion on the edge of visibility. Number 6. Pseudocella musuacensis. At just 0.325 millimeters, this is the smallest known beetle. It lives on fungus and can crawl between individual cells. Though invisible without magnification, it's fully functional, walking, eating, and reproducing like any other beetle. Number 5. Megaphragma carabea. At around 0.2 millimeters, this wasp has some neurons without nuclei to save space. Despite this, it can fly, sense its environment, and parasitize through its eggs. Evolution has squeezed maximum function into minimum size. Number 4. Kikiki huna. Discovered in Hawaii, this 0.15 millimeters insect holds the record for smallest flying animal. Its fringed wings are delicate and efficient. The name huna means tiny in Hawaiian fitting for a creature you can't see without a microscope. And now we are moving on to the top 3 smallest insects in the world. Number 3. Tinkerbell anana. This 0.25 millimeters fairy fly from Costa Rica was named after Tinkerbell for its magical tininess. Its gossamer wings shimmer like fairy dust under the microscope. It parasitizes eggs and plays a key role in regulating insect populations. Number 2. Dicopomorpha ecmepterygis. Males of this species are only 0.139 millimeters. They live entirely inside host eggs, never leaving. Blind and wingless, they mate with their sisters before the females emerge. A bizarre example of extreme adaptation. And finally, number 1. Mimerida fairy fly. At 0.139 millimeters, some Mimerida species are the smallest insects ever found. They can swim in water, walk on film layers, and lay eggs inside other eggs. Nature's most extreme miniaturization, and still fully functional. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the insect world's smallest wonders. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping top 15 lists. This was Vault of 15.